3D charts always enhance the readability and interpretation of data. Dual-axis charts can compare two variables that have different units of measurement. Stacked bar charts can show the total of all categories along with the individual contributions. Gantt charts are primarily used for project management to showcase tasks over time. Sankey diagrams are effective for showing energy or material transfers between processes. Choropleth maps can display quantitative values over geographical areas. Venn diagrams are used to show relationships and differences between datasets. The Pareto chart is a tool that cannot identify the most significant factors in a dataset. Word clouds are a scientific method for text analysis. Violin plots are not useful for displaying distributions of data across different categories.